Today we will see how we can paste multiple items in Windows 10. So basically what happens when we are working with text file or document file, so whatever content we copy and we paste, suppose if we have copied 3 items, 3 words, and when we paste only the last item which we copied is getting pasted and the previous one gets disappeared. So in this video I'll show you how you can bring back all those copied text, whichever you want to paste you can do that. So and that feature is only available in Windows 10. So let's begin with that. So first of all we will go to settings. So as you can see here my settings appeared. Now you go to system. Then you have option here, scroll down, go to clipboard. As you can see here, click on clipboard and you see clipboard history, save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. So when you switch this option on, what happens by pressing Windows key plus V, the clipboard history window pops up, and it will show whatever text you have copied earlier. So I'm gonna just go ahead and switch it on, minimize this one, then I'm gonna go in this word. So I'll show you how this works. I'll just select the alt, suppose copy, again I'll select this one and I'll copy. I'll just copy this one. I'll copy 3 items. So I copied 3 items here, and when I paste, probably the last one which got copied will get pasted here. As you can see here, I'll just right click and paste. So the trick was the last one which I copied. So to bring back those previous copied text, you need to press Windows key plus V. So as you can see here, this clipboard history shows me like you have copied 3 items, this basis, channel and tricks. So whichever you want to paste, you can just click and it will get pasted. So in order to bring back that clipboard history, you have to press Windows key plus V. So make sure you just switch on the clipboard histories from the settings. From here you can switch it on, and whatever content you want to paste, that's previous copied text, you just press Windows key plus V. So your clipboard history comes on the screen, and from there you can pick and paste those items on your document. And that's all guys for today. Hope you liked the video. Give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you and you have a great day. Bye bye.